Are you just getting started with Poshmark and finding that you're not making sales? There could be a few reasons why that's happening. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why you might not be making sales on Poshmark and what to do instead. Hey everybody, Angelique here, corporatecrunchy.com, where I love to talk about thrifting, reselling, consignment, and conscious fashion. In today's video, I want to talk to those of you who might be a little bit new to the Poshmark platform and talk about, why you might not be making sales. And I thought about this topic because my daughter just opened her first Poshmark closet, and she came to me and said, "Mom, I haven't made any sales yet. What's going on?" So I thought I would shoot this video for those of you who are in the same boat. Maybe you just are getting started and you're wondering, how do you make those sales? So the first reason that you might not be making sales yet on Poshmark is that you're not sharing your closet. So Poshmark is a social selling platform, and in order for your items to get visibility, you need to be sharing your items. Fortunately, Poshmark has made this easier than ever to do. There's a really simple way that you can share your whole closet all at once and not have it take tons of your time. So let me show you in this quick demo.
Okay, so here's how you can use the Poshmark sharing tools to share your closet quickly and easily. So I'm on my my closet right now. When you click, I'm on the desktop version. When you click next to your little icon picture there, you'll click on my closet. And then on this page, you'll notice in the corner over here is this little tool icon. So you want to click on that, and it's going to give you some options for sharing, sharing to followers, sharing to a party, offers to likers, or editing a listing price. So we're going to do sharing to followers. And then what it does is it brings up your closet, and notice these check boxes here. So you can check as many of these as you would like, and I'll just check off a few here. And then I hit share to followers, and you'll notice how it starts sharing each item that I just clicked on. So whether you want to share your whole closet at once, or maybe you want to share a particular color, because maybe you like to organize your closet in a certain way. It's really easy to share that way and do it quickly versus individually sharing each item. Okay, so that's how that feature works.
Okay, so sharing your closet can be really easy and quick. You're going to want to share your closet several times a day. I would say at least 3 times if possible. More, if you can, is even better. Okay, the second reason that you might not be making sales on Poshmark is that your photos are not of good quality. So it's important to have good lighting. Make sure that your cover photo is very clear, that it's free from any clutter in the background. Ideally, you want to have a white background. If you don't have like a blank white wall or a backdrop, there are apps such as Photo Room, which are really simple. It's a free app, and it'll remove the background for you and give you a nice plain white background. There was an expert from Google who spoke at PoshFest, this last PoshFest, and they indicated that the plainer your background, the better in terms of you showing up in Google search results. So make sure you have good lighting, that you take a very clear photo, and that you have a nice blank background. Okay, the third reason that you might not be making sales on Poshmark is because you don't have a good description or the right keywords. So Poshmark gives you, I think it's 80 characters to fill up in terms of your item, the name of your item. And you want to try to use as many of those characters as possible. So there's a formula that actually works pretty well. You want to start with whatever the brand name is, and then the style name, and then, like, what is it? Is it a sweater? Is it a pair of pants? Is it a dress? You want to include the color and the size. So at a minimum, those are the elements that you're going to want to include. So for example, this is an Athleta sweater. I don't know the style name, so I might say um, Athleta slouchy cardigan, Athleta slouchy wool cardigan, purple size medium. And again, you could, if you can fit more words in there, feel free to do that. Whatever kind of distinctive features that might be part of your item. If you can fit it in the title, great. If not, make sure you put it in the description. So, for example, this sweater has thumb holes. I want to make sure I put thumb holes in my description. Those are keywords that somebody might be searching for. So, you want to really try to be as descriptive as possible. Okay, the fourth reason that you might not be making sales on Poshmark is that you are not sending offers. I checked my stats, and 70% of my sales on Poshmark come from offers, me sending offers to likers. So you really need to make sure that you're sending offers to likers. Again, there's a great sharing tool within the Poshmark app that lets you do that really quickly and easily. So check out this quick demo.
Okay, so the other thing I wanted to show you is how to quickly and easily do offers to likers. So again, when you're on your closet page, you come over here to this little tool icon, and you click on make offers to likers. So this is really handy if you're running, let's say you want to run a 20% off sale. So you would click on 20% off, you select your shipping, and you hit next. And what it'll do is it will then bring up your the items in your closet, and you can check off which ones you want to offer your 20% discount for. I'm not going to submit it because I just ran this sale, so I'm not going to do it again. But then you would hit submit offers to likers, and for everybody who's liked any of those items, they'll get sent a 20% off discount. You can also do 10%, or you could do 30%. It's up to you. So that is a really easy way to send offers to likers without getting really overwhelmed keeping up with it.
Okay, so that's one way that you can send offers to likers. Another way that some people like to do it is just as you see a like come in, you go ahead and you send that offer right away. Whatever works for you. There's different ways that you can do it, but it's really important that you are sending an offer. I recommend starting with 10% off. Don't like send your best offer right away. Start with 10%. And whatever shipping discount you're comfortable with based on the price of the item. And you'd be surprised how many sales you get by sending those offers. Shoppers who are pretty savvy with Poshmark expect to get offers. So when they like something, they're waiting for you to send them an offer in a lot of cases. So make sure that you're doing that and try to do it. I try to do it within 15 minutes of the person liking the item, but it can be whatever time frame works for you. Okay, so those were the 4 reasons why you might not be making sales on Poshmark yet and what to do instead. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Drop me a comment and let me know what other topics you might want to hear about from me. And again, you can visit my website at corporatecrunchy.com. Thanks, everybody.